Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video is on the best lawn dethatchers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing, and sorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5. WORX 12-amp corded lawn dethatcher is a powerful electric scarifier designed to remove thick layers of thatch and improve the overall health of your lawn. Its 12-amp motor delivers a 3,500 RPM no-load speed for reliable performance, while the 14-inch working width helps cover larger areas efficiently. 3 adjustable depth settings let you customize dethatching for heavy buildup or regular lawn maintenance. The included 0.9 bushel collection bag gathers dead grass, roots, and debris, reducing cleanup after each pass. A built-in lock-off switch provides added safety and better control during operation. The folding handle allows compact storage in a garage, shed, or vehicle when not in use. Built with durable materials and engineered for dependable performance, this lawn dethatcher is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a greener, healthier, and better-looking lawn throughout every growing season. Number 4. Agri-Fab 48-inch toe-behind lawn dethatcher is designed to remove built-up thatch and improve lawn health with efficient wide-coverage performance. Its 48-inch working width helps maintain large yards quickly, while 24 heat-treated, rust-proof spring steel tines loosen dead grass, weeds, and compacted soil to encourage stronger root growth. The cantilever transport handle makes it easy to raise and lower the tines for smooth operation and convenient transport across your lawn. A universal hitch connects to most lawn and garden tractors, making this dethatcher a practical addition to your existing equipment. 2 durable 7-inch flat-free wheels provide reliable movement over different terrain, while the 70-pound weight tray increases tine penetration for more effective dethatching. Built with durable materials for long-lasting use, this toe-behind dethatcher helps create a healthier, greener, and more vibrant lawn season after season. Number 3. Greenworks 2-in-1 Dethatcher and Scarifier is a versatile lawn care tool designed to remove thatch, moss, and dead grass while promoting stronger, healthier turf. Its powerful brushless motor delivers reliable performance, improved efficiency, and longer runtime for demanding lawn maintenance tasks. The quick-swap tine reels allow you to switch easily between dethatching and scarifying, giving you greater flexibility for seasonal lawn care. 5 adjustable depth settings let you customize the working depth to match different grass conditions and soil needs. Lightweight design and folding handles provide excellent maneuverability and compact storage in garages or sheds. A 5.0 AH battery and rapid charger are included, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, so you can start working right away. Built for convenience and durability, this cordless tool helps maintain a greener, thicker, and healthier lawn with less effort. Number 2. WEN 2-in-1 Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is designed to improve lawn health by removing built-up thatch and aerating the soil for stronger grass growth. Its powerful 15-amp motor produces up to 3,300 RPM and clears a wide 16-inch path, helping you finish lawn care tasks more efficiently. The interchangeable dethatching head with 24 durable steel tines lifts dead grass and debris, while the 20-blade scarifying head loosens compacted soil to improve water, air, and nutrient absorption. A 5-position height adjustment allows you to select the ideal working depth for different lawn conditions. The detachable collection bag keeps debris contained, reducing cleanup after use, while the automatic overload shutdown helps protect the motor during demanding jobs. Built for dependable performance and long-lasting durability, this electric lawn tool helps create a thicker, greener, and healthier lawn throughout the growing season. Number 1. Sunjo 15-inch electric-powered lawn dethatcher with scarifier blade reel and collection bag is a versatile 2-in-1 lawn care tool designed to remove thatch, loosen compacted soil, and promote healthier grass growth. Its powerful 13-amp motor delivers reliable performance for tackling stubborn debris and revitalizing your lawn throughout the growing season. The interchangeable scarifier blade reel and dethatching system help improve airflow, water penetration, and nutrient absorption for thicker, greener grass. A 5-position depth adjustment allows you to customize the working depth to suit different lawn conditions and maintenance needs. The large removable collection bag gathers dead grass and debris, reducing cleanup after use. 4 durable Easy Glide wheels provide smooth maneuverability across your yard while minimizing user fatigue.
Built for dependable performance and convenient operation, this electric lawn dethatcher helps homeowners maintain a cleaner, healthier, and more attractive lawn with less effort.